About 20 years ago, my wife and I, when we first built the home, we had a major wall behind the house. It was just nothing but dirt, and so I decided to build a retaining wall myself at a block. After about 18 years, it started leaning in. Didn't have geogrid, didn't have anything like that. So I said, it's time to get it done right. And after interviewing Helsel Brothers and other contractors, I really liked the feeling that I got with Helsel Brothers. Yeah, so I felt confident they could do the job, and they absolutely did an amazing job.
I'm Cody Helsel, owner of Helsel Bros. It's my brother and I. It's pretty much a family business. My dad works for us, my mom does the office work, and we're growing into the hardscape here. So started off maintenance, mowing grass, small landscape jobs, and then eventually we started into some patios and everything like that, and then moving to the bigger projects, obviously. And this is one of our first Rosetta walls ever. Honestly, a customer just gave us the opportunity. He called us and asked if we'd be interested, and we really never dreamed of doing something this big, and then it just happened. Why we chose Rosetta was because we just thought it was such a big project, and we didn't want to take away all the hill by going up, so we just thought that they would tie nicely into the hill since they look so natural. And
the Rosetta wall was just beautiful, looked natural, large, massive, but also a nice soft touch to it, but rustic as well, and it fit my landscaping.
The support we got with Lampus helped very much with tackling this project, because we were very nervous to try it, but then Dewey came out and talked us right through everything, and between him and Tasha, I don't think we could have done it.
They care about the project, they care about the homeowner, they care about the product itself. They're very diligent, very detail oriented, and that's what takes what was a very hard navigatable hillside here and created an awesome backdrop for an entrance into a beautiful home.
The layout that Lampus provided for us made this project with ease. One of my favorite details of this project is when you can walk up here at night and you see the wall and everything lit up with the wash lights, and just how beautiful of a setting it is.
I know the wall is going to stay there for the end of my day, so I feel very confident that it's going to last.
I mean, what you help us with, not only this block, everything. I mean, the support, we don't get that from anybody else. I mean, it's great, so.
That's good, man. That's good.
I
don't have that much money up here.